Hello everyone. Today we are going to install the Amazon command line interface for Windows. If you're not familiar with it, it's a little utility that you can install, lets you interact with AWS from a command prompt or a PowerShell. Very useful for things like uploading. If you're uploading to S3, for example, and you're uploading large files or a lot of files or a lot of large files, when you upload from the command line, it does what's called a multi-part upload. Makes it go much faster, which we'll get into details, more detail about that later. So we're going to come here to, I just Googled AWS CLI download. Come down here, grab the 64-bit version. We'll save that. It's a very small download. We'll run it. Hit OK. And this is just next. Give permission. All right, and we're done. It's as easy as that. So to test, we'll open up PowerShell. And we'll just do AWS. Once it's done loading, we'll do AWS configure. And we should get some options here. Okay, we will go over this in the next video. AWS Access Key ID, AWS Secret Access Key ID, regions, output, all this good stuff.